Right, sir.
Yes. On which topic will write a quiz? Yes, tell me.
Sir, rational numbers, sir.
Rational numbers. Number system.
So for which topic are we playing the quiz?
Rational numbers. 1 second. I think on number system we have to search. So guys, only like one quiz we'll be having. After that, we have to start today new lesson. Okay. Okay. What's happening? This one. Okay. I power up scientist turning off power ups. I'm sharing the link to everyone. So everyone must join the link. Everyone must join the link. Join this link, everyone. I shared a link. Everyone, quick. Everyone must join it quickly. 3 of you have joined. The total 13 of you are here. You have 13 out of 13. Everyone must join. Someone have not joined. Who's that? Okay, I'm starting the quiz. Please do join it immediately. Quick. So many of you have joined late now. Those who have joined late, I'm sharing a link, guys. Please, everyone join. Please, everyone join that. We are having quiz. Everyone kindly do join the link and start writing quiz. Yes, there are several questions which you do not know, guys. Leave the questions. Actually, I selected the topic name number system, but he has given lines and angles questions. So leave the questions whichever you do not know. Attempt the questions whichever you know. Okay, make it fast.
Good evening.
Good evening. Who is this?
Heavily. Sir, this is Chelsea.
Sorry.
This is chassis, sir.
Okay, okay. Join it quickly.
Send the link, sir. I don't have it in the chat box.
I shared it. Okay, I'll share it again. See, you have to be on time. Everyone must be on time. If you don't be on time, what happens is like, we have to wait for one student and it kills our time. Make it fast.
No, sir, just it was raining heavily, sir. That's the reason I couldn't join.
No problem, no problem. I got disconnected. Oh, don't know why. What happened? Yeah.
Sir, can you end the quiz? I think everyone finished.
Yes, everyone has finished. So let me end it up.
No, sir, I didn't finish. I didn't finish.
Make it fast, make it fast, make it fast. Quick. Okay, guys. So every question will be having a timer, guys. So look at this here. Every question, the timing is going on. So everyone should play the quiz accordingly. No cheating, nothing. So everyone keep it, keep it fast. So next question. I think I skipped any question. Did I skip any question? No, no, correct only. Please play sincerely. Make it fast. Pick. Next. So congratulations, children.
So
Which-
why is it half for everyone? So because even though the fact that we have completed it.
Sorry,
So
I
like
didn't.
for many of them, there are still spaces left. So even though we have completed the 10 on.
I didn't get you many.
Sir, I'm telling that like many of them are there whose spaces are still left, sir. Like many of them haven't still completed it. Like it looks like that. But even though we have completed all the 10 of them, it shows like that. Why is it, sir?
because of the, it gives the ranking accordingly, those who are finishing that within less span of time. Okay, getting my point? See, first suppose,
Yes, sir.
yeah, first suppose a question is for 15 seconds, it does not mean that you're writing all the question. It does not mean that you get a first rank into top 5. Those who are finishing, first suppose 15-second question given to you. If you are finishing within 6 to 7 seconds, they'll be like getting top, like that. Accuracy matters and speed matters. Okay.
Sir, we all finished.
Yes, Vishnu.
Sorry,
Vishnu and Palak.
Palak Pathak. Sir Palak. Sir
Yeah,
Palak
Palak,
Pathak.
Ayesha, Vedika, Jasmita, Shreyasi, Lalit. These are top 7. Sahasra 8, 9 Zoya, Ayush 10. What about Anvesha, Manogna, Sohan? Sohan, you wrote 2 times? No, only 1 time. Okay. So, and Agya. Agya,
sir, someone joined, sir.
Yeah, Nitya joined. Okay. And many of Adya, you didn't do well. Why? May I know? Sohan, Manogna, Anvesha, and Ayush. See here, Shreyas, you got only 4 correct. Jasmika, Vedika, Ayesha, Jasmika 7, Vedika
Sir,
9.
I think that is not the correct answer. It means that continuously how many you got correct.
So a streak of answering, sir. Like
Yes,
if
sir.
you have
How?
gotten one wrong, sir.
Okay. What is the
After that,
meaning
like
of this
how
then?
many questions you have gotten
Sir,
continuously correct?
continuously I answered
Acha.
continuously
No.
10 answers without mistake.
Continuously 10 got correct. So consecutively you got 10 correct.
Yes,
Vishnu
sir.
and
Consecutive.
Palak. Okay.
And Ayesha, sir.
Great. So what do you mean by 4 this? 4 you continuously 4 got correct and rest of the like you had a gap between. Okay. No problem. 1 second. I think I have to. I have to look at the question. Look at this 9 correct, 7 correct, 7, 11 correct, 12 correct, 7. Okay. Okay, guys. You felt? Is there any question like you felt difficult? Very easy question, but you have to make sure that you are writing within time. Okay. No problem, beta. So
So the first question I missed it, sir. I thought you still didn't start it, sir.
Sir, I did good, but sir, a question, some few questions went away because I didn't do it quickly.
no problem. Next, you practice. See, every day I'll be conducting a quiz. Every day one quiz will be writing. Is it fine? Deal okay?
It's okay, sir.
With
Sure,
everyone?
sir.
Yeah. Every day one quiz. So you prepare and come. So tomorrow I'll be having a quiz on polynomials. Okay, we'll be having a quiz on polynomials. So today we'll go with polynomials now.
Tomorrow there's no class, right? You mean on Saturday, right?
Yeah. Next class. I meant to say next class.
Sir, weekly test will have polynomials.
Sir, quizzes will be in this format only, right? Sir?
Yeah.
Sir, but this Sunday, the weekly test will have polynomials. Okay.
Correct. Okay. So I think polynomials, we just what we learned, we were learning types of polynomials. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Till what we discussed, anyone of you can remind me once?
Sir, once I'll check and see. Sir, I think we discussed the linear polynomials.
Till linear polynomial.
Yes.
Yes, sir. We discussed the linear polynomial.
Okay. So let's continue with that. Then we'll go with the quadratic polynomial. How many of you revised the notes? Can you tell me? How many of you revised the notes and came? How many of you revised the notes and came here?
So your voice is breaking from me.
No, I'm saying that how many of you revised the notes and came?
Sir, I didn't revise because I don't have the book with me.
You don't?
Have the book with me, sir.
Why?
Sir, I just came home, sir. I was outside. That's why. Because of class, I came.
Please look at this. Everyone must revise notes and come beta. So will everyone, okay, next today we'll go with the quadratic polynomial. Okay, quadratic polynomial. Oh, why it is dancing? My pen is dancing. Why? I don't know why. 1 second. Yeah. So quadratic polynomial. Beta, look at this quadratic polynomial. Linear polynomial is nothing but what? Any polynomial which is in the form of ax plus b. That is a linear polynomial. A should not be equal to 0 here. And what was the condition? A and b must be belongs to real number family. That was a linear polynomial, right? Now quadratic polynomial is nothing but beta a polynomial of degree 2. What is that? A
So like x square.
polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial, correct? So for suppose example, you take 2x square plus 4x plus 5. So what is the standard form of the quadratic polynomial? Any polynomial which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, and where a shouldn't be equal to 0, a comma b comma c belongs to real number. This is the condition. Any doubts?
No doubt, sir. Understood.
Yes, Adya, you was absent in the last class or what? Adya, were you present in the last class or absent? Hello? Adya ji, I'm asking you only, was you present or absent? Okay, no problem. Look at this here. This is a quadratic polynomial definition. Degree must be 2 beta. Degree must be 2. This is an example. You can write any polynomial. Degree must be 2. What is the degree of the polynomial? Highest power of the variable. Highest power of the
Yes,
variable is
sir.
the degree, right? Yes, great. Now, cubic polynomial. Next, we'll talk about cubic polynomial.
It's like degree should be three, sir.
Yes. Look at it, a cubic polynomial is nothing but a polynomial of degree 3 is called a polynomial of degree
So the name itself suggests.
3 is called as cubic polynomial. You write is called as cubic polynomial. I don't want to write that. Okay, example, look at this here. You write 3x cube plus 4x square plus 5x plus 6.
Plus
So
5x plus
any
6.
polynomial which is in the form of ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Okay, so this is how the cubic polynomials standard form would be.
It can also be only with one term, right?
It can be with only one term. Look at this. Let me write here. Look, but suppose it can be 9x cube. This is also a cubic polynomial. Look at this here. You say 0x square. Now 0x plus 0. All these are what? Zeros only, remaining terms. So this is also one term also can be a cubic polynomial. But you have to make sure that the degree, whatever the term you have here, this a shouldn't be equal to 0. If a equal to 0, what happens, beta? Tell me. That becomes a quadratic
It will
polynomial.
be 0. So
That becomes
only
quadratic
degree
polynomial,
will
correct?
be 0.
Yes. that becomes a quadratic polynomial. So a shouldn't be equal to 0. Okay. Next. Next, value of a polynomial. Next concept is what? Value.
Sir, why did you take 9x cube when you took 0 for the all the other values?
What I meant to say here is, it can be one term also. Cubic polynomial can be one term also. This is also a cubic polynomial.
So
Okay.
how, sir?
How? Look at this here. How means, what is the condition? A shouldn't be equal to 0. Here A comma B comma C. Okay. And D belongs to real number. Okay. All A, B, C, D should be belongs to real numbers. A shouldn't be equal to 0. Correct. So now look at this, 0x square. 9x cube can be written as what? See here, 9x cube I wrote. 9x cube can be written as what? 9x cube plus 0x square plus 0x plus 0. Still, if you solve this, again you will get this or not, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So A, what is A value here? 9. A shouldn't be equal to 0. Yes, condition satisfied. And here A, B, C, D must be real numbers. Look at this. Yes, condition is satisfying. Yes, condition is satisfying. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So that is how it can be 0, all the remaining things. Okay, next concept is value of a polynomial. Value of a polynomial.
Why specifically 9?
It can be any number. Real number, I said, right? Real number.
Sir is just giving example.
Sorry?
Sir, I meant that you were just giving an example.
I just give an example. देखो बेटा मैंने clearly बता रहा हूँ. Everything I'm telling you example. That is example. You know, you cannot. There is a no term and condition that you have to take 9 only. You have to take 3 only. There is a no specific condition that you have to take that. You have to take this. You can take any number बेटा आपका मर्जी है. So any number you can take and show an example. Correct? Understood my point? Value of a polynomial. Yes, value of a polynomial. Next concept is value of a polynomial. Value of a polynomial is nothing but beta. Look at this. Everyone try to understand. Very important. Value of a polynomial. P of x. P of x is a polynomial. At x is equal to a is P of a. At x is equal to a is P of a. For suppose, for example, what is P of x here? P of x is nothing but it is a polynomial in x variable. At x is equal to a is P of a. What is the meaning of P of a here? P of a is nothing but in place of x, I am substituting a. P of a is nothing but what? In place of x, I am substituting a. Now let me give an example so that you will understand. If P of x, if I take as anything 3x square plus 4x plus 6 at x is equal to 2. At x is equal to 2. If I say something, then how can you write this? At x is equal to 2. So in place of x, what I'll be doing? I'll be substituting 2. That's it. So 3 into 2 square plus 4 into 2 plus 6. So just now simplify this. 3 into 4 plus 8 plus 6. So 12 plus 8 plus 6 gives me 26. So P of x value, the P of x value, what is the answer now? P of x value at x is equal to 2 is 26. Understood my point? Very simple. P of x value at x is equal to 2 is 26. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Quite simple. Next concept. Let me discuss next concept. You can solve any example like that. Okay. Next concept. Zeros of a polynomial. One of the very, very, very important. What is it? Zeros. Not that zero, beta. Look at this here. Zero is nothing but zeros of a polynomial. Zeros of a polynomial is nothing but you say root, solution, isn't it? Look at it. For finding zeros of a polynomial, what we do, we equate the given polynomial with a 0 and we'll find it out. That is the concept. What we do, let me write here. Is a number such that P of A is equal to 0. Such that P of A is equal to 0. Okay, very simple. You have to look, we will write couple of terms and conditions under this concept. Okay, so now let me write here. Look at it here. 0 may be a 0 of a polynomial. Okay, what I meant to say here, 0 can be, 0 is nothing but this 0 can be a, maybe a 0 of the polynomial is nothing but it can be a solution or root, or you say factor. Okay, it can be a solution, root, factor of a polynomial. Okay, look at it here. Let me tell you one more. Let's write all the point and then we'll discuss. Every linear polynomial has one and only one zero. What is nothing? What is nothing but every linear polynomial has one and only one zero is nothing but it has only one solution. Zero is nothing but solution. I'm trying to say here. Getting my point, people? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Look at it here now. 0 of a polynomial, you say 0 of a polynomial is also called the root of the polynomial. Very simple. Okay, root of the polynomial. Clear? Yes. Next, a non-zero constant, polynomial has no zero. Has no zero. Correct? What is the meaning of this? Non-zero is nothing but if I have, now look at it here, if I give any number, beta, if I give any number, example 2. Now what is the zero of this 2? How do you say zero of this 2? What is the solution of the 2? That is itself solution.
It's constant.
It's a constant. Constant cannot have a solution. So that is the meaning of this statement I gave. Okay, non-zero constant polynomial has no zero. Okay, we will write each and every example. You do not worry.
Is there?
Every real number is a zero of the zero polynomial. Okay, every real number is a zero of a zero polynomial. So zero polynomial is nothing but beta. Zero polynomial is nothing but what? You write 0x square, 0x plus 0. This is zero polynomial. All coefficients must be 0. Correct? That is a zero polynomial. Okay, 0, every real number is a zero of the zero polynomial. Isn't it, beta? Getting my point? So example, beta, look at it here. For suppose, let me write 0x cube, 0x square, 0x plus 0. This is zero polynomial. Now every real number, whatever the real number you take and substitute in place of x, you get 0 only, right? Isn't it? So every real number is a 0. Every real number is a solution of the zero polynomial. Okay, if you do not understand like that, you write 0 or root. Correct? 0 or root. If you are getting confused, you write like this. Very simple. Understood my point? Any doubt here? So every real number is a
No,
zero
sir.
or root of a zero polynomial. Quite simple. Next, let me write one more point. A polynomial can have more than one zero. Yes, or more than one solution,
Oh, yes.
or more than one root, isn't it? If quadratic polynomial can have
Yes,
how
sir.
many roots now? 2 roots. Cubic polynomial will be having how many roots? 3. Fourth degree
3, sir.
polynomial will be having how many roots? 4. Fifth degree polynomial will
4,
be having
sir.
how many roots? 5. So if at all my degree is 5, I'll be having 5 zeros, which means 5 solutions. If my degree is 10, I'll be having 10 roots, 10 solutions, 10 zeros, I would say. All are same meaning. Okay, getting my point? Any doubts?
Yes, sir.
Quite simple. Next, now tell me, let me write here, note, everyone write this beautiful note. Everyone should write this note. Very, very good note. The maximum number of zeros of a polynomial is equal to its degree. Okay? Okay? The maximum
Oh,
number of zeros of a polynomial is equal to what? Its degree. So for example,
So like cubic polynomial
let's say
3
for
degree.
suppose 9x to the power of 4 plus you write 8x cube plus 7x square plus 6x plus 5. This is what type of polynomial? This is a fourth degree polynomial or not? Fourth degree polynomial or not, children? Isn't it?
yes, sir. Okay, sir. So the number of like variables in it determines like how many it
No, no,
is.
no, no, no.
The variable in that other than the 0.
No. What is the degree here? What is the degree of this polynomial?
So 4.
4. So it will be having, therefore, the given polynomial
So
has
then what shows that this thing is the 0 here?
degree.
What
If
is
it
the
is,
0 in this?
yes, then the number, the degree whichever you get, that will be, determining, that will be indicating that yes, you will be having 4 zeros, 4 solutions of the given polynomial. Okay, the given polynomial has 4 zeros, 4
So
zeros.
what is the 0 in this, sir? I
Zero
did
is
not
nothing but a
understand
root
that.
or solution. Okay,
Oh,
understood? That is what I have been saying, the same thing. Listen the class, look at this here, what I'm saying. बेटा जीरो इज नथिंग बट मैंने ये जीरो के बारे में नहीं बात कर रहा हूँ, जीरो नंबर के बारे में नहीं बात कर रहा हूँ मैंने यहाँ पे. Everyone listen to me, I'm talking about root. It can also be called as zeros in polynomial. Okay, solution, factor, all this gives you same number. Okay, same
Or
meaning.
degree.
So if
like
at
you
all,
said, 5 is a constant in that example, so it cannot be a 0. But the rest of them, they are like we can find a solution out of it, so it is a 0.
sorry,
Sir, no, sir. I'm just telling like 5 is like a constant you have told in this example, sir. And the rest of them, sir, they have a they have their own solutions, sir. So we can say like it is a 0.
yeah, look at this here. You do one thing. Yes, here, what is the degree? I'm not talking about the solution. I'm talking about number of solutions. Okay, getting my point? I'm talking about number of solutions. This polynomial has how many
So this
solutions?
thing.
Please listen to me once. What this polynomial has how many number, how many zeros, how many roots? It has 4 zeros, 4 roots. Getting my point? For suppose, let me tell you an example. Beta, look at this here. For example, 2x plus 4. How many zeros this polynomial has?
1.
1. Why? Because degree is 1 here. Degree is 1.
Okay, sir.
So this polynomial has only 1 0, correct? Or 1 root,
Yes.
correct?
Or 1 degree.
Or not 1 degree, you cannot say 1 degree. Try to understand.
Solution.
Degree is 1 beta, so it has 1 root, 1 0, 1 factor, 1 solution. You say anything like that.
Okay,
But don't
sir.
say degree. It has degree 1. Yes, it has degree 1. So it has 1 0. That's it. Don't make any complicated. It has degree as 1. Degree is 1. So 1 0. 1 solution. That's it. Okay. If degree is 2, 2 solutions. Degree is 3, 3 solutions. Degree is 4, 4 solutions. Degree is 5, 5 solutions. 6, 6. Like that. Correct? Understood my point? Sir, what is the proof? What is the proof you are saying that it has only one root, 1 0? बेटा मैंने क्या बता रहा हूँ, इसका जीरो क्या होता है? I mean, it is what is the solution of this polynomial? How do you find out zero of this polynomial? We equate the given polynomial with 0. That's it. So 2x is equal to -4, x is equal to -2. देखो एक ही तो रूट आ रहा है, एक ही तो जीरो आ रहा है, एक ही तो फैक्टर आ रहा है, एक ही तो सोल्यूशन मिल रहा है. ठीक है, you are getting only one solution, isn't it? Are you getting any solution other than this? Is there any other solution possible other than -2 here? Tell me.
No, sir.
Common sense. Okay, let's say this is p of x beta. Okay, this is a p of x. I'm asking you to find out zero of this polynomial. How do you find out? For finding zero of a polynomial, I must equate that particular polynomial with 0 and find out x value. That is what your job. Clear? So I got only 1 0. What I got to know? This is a verification. It's a verification. Yes, I verified. Yes, I got only 1 0. Since I said it has only 1 0 or 1 root, I verified here. Check. Understood my point? I got only one x value, right? I didn't get many x values. Am I correct? Getting my point? Are you people getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. See here, who is this? Adya, you do not worry, Adya. I'll be sharing these notes. Please focus on listening the class, not focusing on writing. Please. Yes, you have to write simultaneously, but primary thing you all have to do here is listen what I am saying in the class. If you're not listening what I am saying in the class, it is pretty difficult further to understand. Yes, you may go through the recording and listen it, but it is a time waste, I would say. Listen the class properly, go and revise for 5 to 10 minutes. It's quite easy. After that, you can just go and apply on the sums directly. You just go and apply the concept and sums. Okay, so this is how beta you will be solving, actually getting my point. Now let me give an example. For suppose example, let's say that you have anything you take, x square and plus 5x, okay, minus 6. Okay, this is a polynomial given to you. How many of you know factorization beta, splitting middle term method?
Yes, sir. Like this is 2x plus 3x.
Look at
Minus,
this.
yes, sir.
Okay, getting my point?
Sir, just simplifying of it, sir.
Yes. Let me change the question. Yes, you take it now. This is the question given to you. Now
2 minus 3x minus
this can be written
2x.
as what? Minus 3x. 5 can be written as minus 5x, 3x into 2x. This 6 will be as it is. Now from these two terms, I'll be taking x common. From these two terms, one thing I'll be taking common. So from the first two terms, let me take x common. If I take x common, x minus 3. From the rest of the two terms, I'll be taking 2 common. So that I'll be getting x minus 3. Check. Now again, x minus 3 is common here. So let me take x minus 3 common. And again, what you'll have to do here now?
X minus 3x minus 2.
So beta, what you just, we are finding zeros of this polynomial, right? So I'll be equating with 0 beta. Okay, we are finding zeros of the polynomial. I'll be equating with 0 now. X minus 3 is equal to 0 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. Correct? So x minus 3, x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 2, sorry, x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 2 are the solutions, zeros. Now these two are what? These two are zeros of the given polynomial. Why? Tell me, what is the degree of this polynomial? Degree is
2.
So this has only
Yes, the degree is 2. Sir, like, but I think x value is 2.
2 zeros. Okay. Sorry. Two roots. Tell me, make it fast.
Okay, sir. Like this polynomial, this zero says that like in one polynomial, how many solutions we can get out of it?
Yes, we can. How many solutions we can get out of it? Look at this here. This polynomial says that I can get only two solutions since it has degree 2. I verified here. How? Look at this here. Verification can be done by using factorization like this. So check. Look at this. I got only two zeros. X is equal to 3 and x is equal to 2. Khatam. Getting my point? So whenever a polynomial degree is n, for suppose the degree of polynomial is n, then what is the number of roots? Number of zeros, how many?
Sir, 2.
Oh, degree is n.
No, sir, I didn't see the questions. I thought you asked the before question. So it's
Degree is
n
n.
then.
Then
N.
n. Okay. Getting my point? If degree
How
is n,
much ever will be the degree, that much will be the
yes,
zero.
how much ever the degree would be,
Degree
those many
solution
zeros
root.
you'll be getting, those many roots, those many zeros, those many factors, those many solutions. Okay, you can say all this. Getting my point? Any doubts, children, so far? Degree determines the number of zeros, number of factors which you have. Okay. Okay, children. So let me wind it up. I have a class for your seniors today, so let me take that class. Okay, please do revise the notes and come. If at all you have any doubts, please go and watch the recording. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Please, everyone, do solve the homework problems. Thank you.